I'm Neil Lawrence and I'm the UK Sales Manager for PCML. We're a subcontract manufacturer of all parts from sheet metal to machined through to assembly. The Tevish facility houses our sheet metal and fabrication and powder and paint shop and also horizontal mills. We was approached by our client to produce a 32U rack system, but in keeping with their corporate branding. And the idea was to try and reduce the amount of time it took to build the finished article, reduce the number of parts in the assembly and to try and reduce the weight of the actual components as well. PCML always encouraged collaborative design. We find it very beneficial. It's a win-win situation. The customer gets best practice manufacturing. The guys here also enjoy doing this. It keeps them engaged. They can see the processes through and to the finished design, knowing that their inputs help to achieve a greater goal for our clients. So the specification was required. The design was in concept, so they've had the rough design of what they've used on previous models. We then worked on the corporate branding, giving our production engineers some information to work upon to try and achieve the goals that were set out by our clients. So we have the PCML Design Hub, we have SolidWorks and Pro-E, and this is split between the sites in the disciplines. So on this site we concentrated on this project because this was sheet metal and fabrication, but we do also offer this collaborative partnerships for other parts, machine parts as well. This has been a great example to our clients to show how PCML can work in a collaborative partnership to achieve an end target and to reduce build times and cost of design.